Okay, welcome to the Dublin Academy at gmail.com is my email address. Now this is Leaving Cert Ordinary Maths, and it's Series 1 and Episode 1. And so these are questions that you're going to do for me the next day, or you're going to hand them back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do one, and we'll show you how to get along with them. So starting off, it's very dry. Right, x plus 1, we go x minus 2 all to be squared. Now how am I going to work this out? Now this is x minus 2, well what's 4 squared? 4 squared is 4 by 4. You always relate these things to normal operations. So x minus 2 by x minus 2 is x minus 2 by x minus 2. Okay, that's it. Now what do I do next? I multiply the x by all of this, and I multiply the minus 2 by all of this. Okay, so let's go x by x minus 2 minus 2 by x minus 2, and I multiply them out. So I've got x by x is x squared. You should be doing this along with me. X by minus 2 is minus 2x. Minus by a plus is minus 2x. Minus by a minus is a plus. 2 2s are 4. So you got x squared minus 4x plus 4. Okay, so it's a quadratic equation. A quadratic equation has got decreasing powers. So it's got of 2. So 2, this has got a power of 1, and this is an integer. Right, moving along. You should be able to do the other questions on this. Now, now we're going to get to the equal sign. So if I've got 2x plus 3 is equal to 6. Okay, minus 1. Okay, now I have to solve this. So when I bring everything over to the equal sign, if I bring a plus over, it becomes a minus. If I bring division over, it becomes, or multiplication, it becomes division. Now what am I going to do with this equation when I get somebody says solve this equation? Okay, so I have to move the numbers in such a way that I'm going to get x on the left hand side of the equal sign. So I'm going to bring 6 minus 1 is 5. I bring over the plus 3. It changes its function from plus to a minus. That's all it does. It changes its function, not the sign. So a lot of people get mixed up on that. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, so x is equal to 2. This is multiplied by, it comes across and becomes division. X is equal to 1. Okay, now I'll just do another one. In brackets, for example. I will go through those again. Say for example, 2 times x minus 1 is equal to 7 plus 3 times 2x minus 1. Now this mightn't work out, but that doesn't matter. Okay, so let's solve the problems. Bring over the equal sign. So let's unravel these brackets. So we can't do anything until we take out these brackets. So we get in the mood. So we multiply them out. 2 times x plus 2 by minus is minus 2 is equal to 7 plus 3 times 2 is 6x. Plus by minus is a minus. 3 1s are 3. Okay, so we haven't done anything else, and we have to work it out. So I'm bringing over the plus x, and I'm bringing over the integers to the right hand side. So I'll get that again. Bring the x's together on the left hand side. The 6x becomes minus 6x because a plus becomes a minus. Division becomes multiplication, and vice versa. Minus becomes a plus. That becomes 7 minus 3, which is 4. Bring across the minus 2 and it's plus 2. Okay, so you got 2x minus 6x is minus 4x is equal to 4 plus 2, which is 6. X is equal to 6 divided by minus 4. Okay, now etiquette requires you to put this minus on the top. Okay, it's logical. Okay, so anyway, you bring the minus to the top. Now you see I didn't change the sign, I changed its function. Multiplication becomes division. Okay. It didn't work out, but that's not the problem. The problem is that you've solved it, and you could solve it because whatever it was going to be a fraction. Okay. Now just a few more things to explain. Do all these questions. there's nothing there that is out of the ordinary. If you have any problems, I will send you a copy of the questions done out. Now, just to remember that the next day, I am on YouTube. You probably would have got me here anyway. YouTube and Facebook. Okay, and I will be doing Leaving Cert Higher Maths, and I probably will be doing Leaving Cert Higher Chemistry. Now, there's an extra for an extra family member. It's €10, so it's a reduction of 10. So it's €10 just for an extra family member. And remember, practice, practice, practice only works. If you practice and you try and work out your problems with where you're going wrong with the maths, you will solve. I will help you solve that problem where you're going wrong. I'm also probably will be on G+. That's just Google+. It's an email. They have free downloads. So really, if you can get Gmail+, it'd be great. But otherwise, I'll download them to YouTube. And my Facebook page would be Academy, Dublin Academy. Dublin Academy. Okay, I'm going to leave it at that. Good luck with those questions and see you in the next round.